So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to record audio in a video here on InShot. So if I were to play this video right here, there's no audio. If you wanted to maybe create a voiceover or whatever, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and press on the audio button right here, then go ahead and press on record. Once you guys are here, you can go ahead and press the start button or a timer to start it. So I'll just go ahead and record a demonstration by pressing on the red button. This is an audio demonstration. I'll then go ahead and press on done. If I were to go ahead and press the check mark right here and then play the video, this is an audio demonstration. Not sure if you guys could hear that, but it was my recording of the audio that I just selected, or that I just created. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can record audio inside of a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.